I don't think you can turn around and film that way, are you?
As I say, we're intending to extend the line, and for that we will need more locomotives and passenger carriages. So here's the next locomotive under construction. This will be a replica of one of the original three. We've built the boiler early with all the test certificates done and everything because the regulations keep on tightening up, and the idea was to try and freeze the conditions so that we didn't have something impossible to build later on. The frames have just been assembled in the works of Patrick Keefe in Ross-on-Wye, and when they have reached the stage that they can take the boiler, this boiler will be taken over there to put on it, and all the other bits and pieces hung around it. You'll see there's a few other bits and pieces here. So you need more. What we have here is the saddle tank from the number 3, one of the original locomotives. That now is working on the Talyllyn Railway. It's in rather poor condition. Normally, he says, I can't find, well, I can get little crumbs. You can put your hand inside and you can get bits of metalwork out. It's been given a cosmetic restoration, the idea being to use it as a giant donation box for our number 10 fund. So we've got a slot to roll coins down off the platform.